Yo, so it's Labor Day and today we are going to ride real quick. My wife have a new road bike, but she hasn't really used it. So she's kind of like a little bit of hesitant to ride in the road. She's more of a gravel girl. I am going to bring her to the local college, like give her a little bit of boost, confidence, and hopefully she'll come out and will be able to ride with me and the boys. We're heading out.
Okay to use this.
Yeah.
It will protect my face from the sun.
You got time trial right now, Team Philippines.
It's for protection, Dad.
Why
It's so
is it-
hot.
If I have that, I will wear it too, but I don't have that money.
It's for protection of the face,
Right
guys.
now, Team Philippines, baby. We're here now. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa CCBC or tinatawag nating Community College of Baltimore County. So, medyo malapit lang sa amin yung CCBC, around a mile and a half or 2 miles. But since si Mrs. Medyo hindi pa confident sa road, ito yung task na ginawa namin. So, first hit namin is yung buong loop ng CCBC will take around 1.4 or 1.3 miles. So, upon parking lot 7 kami diretso, medyo paakyat to ngayon. Ino-orient ko lang si Mrs. para masanay siya kasi iba talaga yung road feel versus gravel bicycle. Paglabas namin diretso sa medyo paakyat, medyo may konting elevation dito. Yun nga, sabi ko diretso, pero diniretso ni Mrs. sa kaliwa. Talagang si Mrs. medyo kailangan pa ng navigation skills. But upon descending on this uphill, magbabank tayo sa medyo unahan lang dito, guys. Malinis talaga ang CCBC. Kumbaga, kung safety lang, lalo na sa weekend, masarap magbike dito sa CCBC. At kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, kung nandito kayo sa Baltimore County, medyo sulit talaga. Walang katao-tao, lalo na medyo maaga, considering alas 9 or 9:30 na ng umaga dito nung nag-ride kami. So, yun na nga. Pag akyat mo dito, magbabang ka lang pa kanan, meron na namang parking lot. So, itong community college na to, guys, is medyo malaki to at malinis ang road. Malinis ang road. May mga imperfections, but ito dito ngayon yung pinakabagong lot nila. Makikita mo dito sa bandang kanan yung mga solar panels. Solar panels na yun, matagal na yan. Nung nag-aaral pa ako nung 2017, 2018, nandyan na yan. At pagkuha mo dito, aakyat ulit kami, bank pa kanan, at medyo uphill na naman dito, mga guys. So yun nga, makikita ko sa paa ni Mrs. na hindi siya sanay na magpedal na walang cleats. Kasi medyo 5 years old na yung aming Linsky o yung titanium gravel bike namin. At never ko na siyang medyo nakitang magbike na walang cleats. Pero dahil hindi pa siya sanay sa SPD na road cleats, makikita ko talaga na medyo hindi kompleto yung power transfer between her legs or her feet going to the pedal. But safety first, since natumba na nga si Mrs. sa SPD pedals, ay kailangan muna naming back to basics. Ito ngayon yung medyo downhill at masarap dito, mga guys. Ingat-ingat lang at medyo busy to na street, lalo na pag uwian. But pag umaga, maganda dito. Bandang kaliwa, dire-diretso, at pagdating sa medyo konting dulo, kakanan ulit para sa parking lot. Miminor ka dito banda, merong ilaw dyan at may sign kasi pwedeng maging blind spot yan. At yun na nga, kakanan kami dito para sa panibagong parking lot segment. dyan lang sa may dulo sa harap natin. Makikita mo maraming kotse dahil maraming naglalaro ng soccer. Malaki ang soccer field dito guys. Mga siguro may 4 na soccer field. Pwede kang maglaro dyan sa bandang kaliwa. At yun na nga. Sa bandang dito, papabayaan ko si Mrs. na mag-lead at tingnan natin. So officially, ito yung maiden ride ni Mrs. So far, 5.65 miles. Local college. Labor Day weekend. It's a long holiday. And windy day today. So although it's a long holiday weekend, it's a Monday. Medyo hesitant po si Mrs. mag-ride sa road. So we kinda have like konting paghahasa para siya masanay mag-road bike. But officially ito yung first maiden ride ni Mrs. So it's a good practice. It's a new bike, not the gravel but new bike. How you feel, Mom? Good? Go ahead. Go explore it. I don't use this path. You want to go, then you have to learn how to explore. Naturuan ko siya. Sabi niya go daw, go. Alam ko itong lugar na to but I want her to be able to navigate, get herself used to this. It's really not ideal for road. I'll do the path. Yeah. Time check, 9:42 a.m. 7 miles. At least her maiden ride is like 10 miles in goal eh. Tingnan natin kung medyo na-break in na ni Mrs. We can go further. Mga ilang miles tayo ngayon? Mga ilan miles tayo ngayon? 7.
What do you want to work?
Ikaw mamili. Settle ka sa 10? Okay. Huh? Yes. The sun is up there. Okay. You wanna go home? Alright. Bank, labas, kaliwa. Yeah. Para diretso sa parking lot. Para yung sun sa likod natin. Just follow me. Go ahead. Left. So I think we're gonna wrap it up Nag-micro needle kasi si Mrs. And at 9:44 a.m. the sun is really up. So we gotta call it quits at 7.37 miles. Na-feel na niya yung road using her new bike. And tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging feedback niya. Interviewin natin sa parking lot. Kamusta experience, ma'am?
Okay naman, the bike is very light and I can feel every bump. It feels like I'm riding pag nag-bike ka, pakaramdam mo flat tires because you can feel everything.
Sanay kasi siya sa road, gravel tires. It's like, I think gravel is 32 centimeters yung sa akin ngayon, so siguro gravel is maybe between 50 or 64. So, naka 8 miles ka ngayon.
Yep, my first ride.
Maiden ride, sabi ko.
My first ride since the bike was purchased. We tried it and I fell. Hindi ko makalabas sa clips. Bago kasi yung clips ko sa kay sapatos. And I got rattled when I saw a car, so I had to stop. Tapos nalaglag ako parang dead fly.
Naka siya, Shimano Ultegra na SPD. Kaso di pa sanay. So yung experience mo sa pedals ngayon?
Oh, it's good. It's okay. It's when pagpataas, kumacurve yung paa ko. So it's harder. So now na-appreciate yung stiff yung yung sole ng sapatos. Yung sapatos na pang bike talaga kasi yung power transfer.
Yeah.
It's good. It's a good ride.
So, charge us XP. We'll be out. Balik bahay na.
Yeah.
Peace out.